Hello guys, this is Color Tutorials. Welcome back to our next video, and today I'm going to show you how to send or how to attach files using Gmail, how to send messages or send text or files, that is videos or photos, through Gmail or through email. So first of all, we are going to use you need to have Chrome. You need to have Google Chrome, and here is mine. Okay, you need to have Google Chrome. So what you need to do is you'll come to Compose. You can see this icon, this pen icon, and the word Compose next to it. So you click Compose. To click Compose, you'll get this tab here. So what you need to do is, as you can see here, there is to and subject. To, this is where you're going to type. This is where you're going to type the email address of the person you're sending to. Okay? Or in other words, you can say the receiver. Okay? Person receiving the email you're sending. So for me, or for us, right now we're just going to send it to ourselves. Okay? Because this is just for educational purposes. So it's just like an example. So yeah, I'm going to send it to myself. Now, you need to note that it's very important while typing or while inserting the email address of the person you're sending to, make sure you don't miss, like you don't make a mistake of sending, or for example, putting the wrong email address, because it's going to be sent to another person, not the person you intended to send it to. So you have to be very careful when inserting or when typing the email address. Now, after confirming the email address, you come to subject. Subject is like a topic or a title, okay, of the email. So for example, you're just going to write files, or else, yeah, files, or you can say video, okay, and photo. Just an example, okay. Sorry, photo, yeah. So after that, come and click here. This is where you can put a text. For example, you can just say, here are my videos and photo. Yeah. Okay. Now next is you have to attach the videos and photos, okay, or the files that you want to send. So here you can see there are options, but what we need is this. So when you put your pointer there, you can see the word attach files. So you click, then this window will pop up. You will choose the files I want to send to. For example, let's say you want to send this. So you click on it, or if you want to send a file, you click on that one or this one, any. So let's choose this one, click open. Okay, sometimes you can see you cannot send files larger than 25 MBs, okay, or else they'll be automatically uploaded to Google Drive. So we cancel and choose something that is smaller than 25 MBs. So let's say this one, okay, then you click open. You can see it's loading, okay, it's downloading to the Gmail. So after that, you can either add, okay, by clicking here, you can add. So let's say this one, click open, okay. Or for example, if you chose the wrong file, okay, and you wanted to remove it, so you just come and click this X icon here to remove. See, nice one. So after that, you just click, you come here and click send, and yeah, so the message will be sent. Now to confirm, you can see here there's undo. Undo is for, it's just, okay, it's on for a few seconds. That is if you sent it, if you didn't want to send if you want to send the email, you click undo. But to confirm, if you have confirmed that that's what you wanted to send, you just come to send. When you come to send, you just find it here. You can see, yeah, if you don't see it here, it's in draft. If you don't see it in send, then you're gonna find it in draft. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe if you have not subscribed, like if you have not liked, and share. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.